Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get money back from PayPal transactions. First, log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Activity tab at the top of the screen. This will display all your recent transactions. Locate the payment you want to refund by scrolling through the list or using the search bar. Click on the transaction to open the detailed view. On this page, you'll see an option called Issue a Refund. Click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can confirm the refund details. If you're using a personal PayPal account, the refund amount will default to the full transaction value, and you might not have the option to enter a custom refund amount. For business accounts, you can input a partial refund if needed. Once the amount is set, scroll down and click Issue Refund to finalize the process. PayPal will then process the refund, and the money will be sent back to the original payer. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.